So, for those of you that know, you know, there's a million ways to use one of these washing machines, but the most simple is to open here, pop the liquid that we've supplied in here, close it up, pick your preferred setting, and that will turn the washing machine on straight away. And that will show you the time here of how long it will take. Now, once it's started, the door will lock. If you do need to open it, you will need to turn it off to reset it. If it is full of water, please don't open it straight away. Just give us a call and we'll guide you through it.